So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Monday, 30th of October. XAUUSD, also known as gold. So what are we expecting now? We did come down to this 1263 level, and we did see some buying momentum come into the market briefly after this 1263. So in around let's just see where the lows were. Got lows sitting at around about the 1263.41. So pretty much to say that's the level really. So we've had prices come all the way down to this 1263. We've seen the buy momentum come back into the market. I suppose market participants are expecting we did see we did see a buy momentum come into the market. So we did see a bit of a retracement upwards. Now if we do see if this level does hold, which we do expect it to over this short to medium term, we're expecting prices to move to the upside. So let's look at potential upside targets. Again, we're looking to see how prices reaction as 1276 and also this 1279. 1279 is going to be coupled with this 200 period moving average. So we do see a bit of a bull flag form, a continuation. We'll see how prices reaction as 1279. Beyond which we've got this 400 period moving average, had these recent lows here where we've had a sell-off, and this 1284 major level. So that is a bit of a zone of confluence here where we could potentially see a heavy retracement in prices. Now, what we have to bear in mind is in light of recent policy, we do expect the Federal Reserve to raise interest rates in the United States in December. So we would market participants may start to sell gold in anticipation of that. But due to a lot of political risks at present, gold seems to be supported. So we have to trade what we see. And at present, we do seem to have held this 1263 as a nice, strong technical level for a move to the upside. Now, if we do see a breakdown in prices beyond 1263, we're looking into the low 1240s and the 1230s. Beyond 1230s, we'll be looking all the way down to this 1214 level, where we might find some major support in around the 1240s and the 1230s. We just have dynamic levels which may not hold on the higher time frames. So let's have a look at the higher time frames since we've just mentioned them. So here on this monthly chart, we're operating in the shadow of the month of September, where we posted the highs in around 1357, which you could interpret as being a lower high. We've had the highs over here from 2016 around 1275. We've had a strong bearish candle in the month of September, closing near the lows from 1357. So we do seem to at present to be having a continuation in the month of October. We've had a brief move to the upside, but we do appear to be heading into bearish territory as we end up going as we are heading towards the close of the month. But the overall trend is it did appear to be the upside. We've had our lows here. Goodness gracious me, like, oh my. So let's bear with me a second here. Let's just grab the pen. So we had our lows here. We've had a, let's just grab this. So we've had our lows there. We've had our higher lows there. And we did seem to be heading upwards. I did expect prices to come up to test this 1375. It doesn't appear to going to be the case. So we'll potentially see prices move down. But overall, we are in an uptrend on the XAUUSD. Just going to have a look at the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, again, we are we've had our lows here. We've had higher lows there, higher lows again. So that is a bit a bullish sign. However, we've had our highs up here, and we do appear to post the lower highs, especially in light of the sell-off we can see here from this 400 period moving average. Now we've had 4 bearish weeks followed by 1 bullish week, and we've had another 2 bearish weeks. So the bears are clearly in control of this market. We have to see how prices react in around the retest of 1263, but beyond there, we're looking for prices to come down into these zone here. Next major level being at around the 12.14 level. So we're just going to have a look to see where we are. Let's see where the dynamic levels are on this weekly chart. So just have a look. The dynamic levels on this weekly chart are sitting at 50 period moving average sitting at 12.45 essentially, and the 200 period moving average sitting at 12.32, beyond which we were looking at 12.44. So those are our dynamic levels. If we do break below this 12.63 level, where we might find potential support in prices for a continuation to the upside. Now, if we do have a look at the daily chart, you can see here on this daily chart, let's just grab the pen. So we've had our highs here. We've had a bit of a double top in around this level, around this 12.96 level. We've had our highs up here at 57. We've had a lower high here at 13.05. So we do look poised for a continuation to the downside. We have to be aware of this level here being a strong support in around this 12.63. We did see some buy momentum come off that level, and also we have the 400 period moving average sitting around this 12.63 level. So beneath us here on the daily chart, we have the 400 period moving average sitting at 12.62.80, so essentially 12.63, and we've also got the 200 period moving average sitting at 12.60 essentially. So in around this 12.63, 12.60, we do seem to be supported, so we could see a potential continuation to the upside for a possible retest of 13.05 if we successfully navigate 12.84. But overall, we do seem to have had a shift in momentum, as this being the high, this being the lower high. Although we would potentially form a double bottom in around this 12.63 level for a continuation to test the previous lower high just here around 13.05. So around 13.05. Yep. So that should wrap up the XAUUSD analysis. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.